Welcome back to Texelated Isolated with Technology. And today we're going to take a look at the MPOW H7 Bluetooth Headphones. Alright, so here it is, the MPOW H7 Bluetooth Headphones. These are extremely budget headphones that I just got as a gift recently. I do not know how much they cost. I don't even know if they are still sold on Amazon or Wayfair or wherever. I don't know if these are still in circulation. But anyhow, let's check them out. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, quick sound sample, and a quick mic test. So what do we have here on the front? It says hi-fi audio, hands-free calling, closed back air cushion, 15 to 20 hours, and the model is BH162A. On the side here it says the same thing, nothing different. On this side it says rotatable ear cup, soft and comfortable ear pad. And on the back it says Bluetooth standard version 4.1, 33-foot operation range or 10 meters, battery capacity 420 milliamp hours, charging voltage 5 volts or 1 amp, charging time 4 hours, and features hi-fi stereo sound, soft memory protein earmuffs, wireless and wired modes, built-in microphone, and hands-free call. Oh, and one more, rotatable ear cup design with a portable bag. So let's quickly get into this thing and see what's inside. Oh, well, look at that. I did not expect these to be pink. And neither did the person who got them for me. That is hilarious. Alright, so MPOW, Dream, Explore, Inspire, VIP card. Cables, USB-A and micro USB. And 3.5 millimeter jacks to connect wired. Headphone connection to TV. Don't need that. Nice felt type suede bag that comes with this. And what else do we have in here? Oh, it looks like it's an Amazon product. So $5 off Amazon gift card. Probably invalid. And the manual. So let's see what we have here. They feel extremely light. The earmuffs feel not as soft as I'm used to. There's that. Buttons feel really clicky. They feel pretty good. It's like a rubberized texture. It's not like a plastic, but it's like a rubber. Easy to adjust headband. Thin foam on the headrest here. Not much padding. Let's see how comfortable they feel on the ears. Not very comfortable, but you know, somebody will appreciate them, I'm sure. Let's see if we have any power. I highly doubt there's any power in these. Let's see. Oh, looks like we do have power. Alright, so give me a moment. I am going to try to pair these to my phone and get a sound quality test out of them. Give me a moment. Well, I'm back with a quick sound quality review. I took a listen to a couple of tracks that I like vibing out to. And I'm going to give these like a 5 out of 10. The bass is kind of mushy. It's not very precise, not very clear. It still produces bass, but it's not punchy. The highs weren't very clear, and the mids were very mid. So nothing exciting. If you need something quick to listen to, some music as a sample or a test, or you just need to listen to maybe some audio books or something, these would do just fine. But for the true audiophile, this is definitely not up to par. So what I'm gonna do now is a mic test, see what the mic sounds like. I have very low expectations for the mic, but we're gonna test it anyway. Be right back. Test 1 2, test 1 2. This is a voice sample recording with the MPOW H7 Bluetooth headphones. This is a voice test with the MPOW H7 Bluetooth headphones. Please let me know what you think about the voice quality coming out of the microphone from the H7s, and leave a comment below. All right, so there it is, the mic quality test for the MPOW H7 Bluetooth headphones. Let me know what you think. Well, thank you for joining me inside the isolation chamber. You've been watching Texelated Isolated with Technology, and I hope to see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.